So many of you have asked me a pattern for the top I'm wearing here in this video. So since I cannot publish a written pattern as of now, so I thought of making a video explaining this pattern for you guys. It's a simple pattern and any beginner crocheter should be able to do this. So this top is made in two panels, as in the front panel and the back panel, and the both are seamed at the sides like. So let's start making the front panel now. I've used the linen stitch for this top. You can find it on YouTube. It is a very simple stitch with single crochets and chain stitch. Now we start making a chain as long as your widest part of your upper body. For me, I made around 90. You should keep working back and forth upwards until you reach few inches below your armpit. I want arm round to start from there. So here is a small tip. Most crocheters tend to start the decrease stitch right from the first stitch itself, but I prefer making a few slip stitches and then start your decrease stitch. So for example, for this top I made 5 slip stitches and made a decrease stitch and worked my linen stitch from there. So similarly, you work till your 7th stitch, and for the 7th and 6th stitch you make a decrease stitch and you leave the 5 stitches as, and then you chain one, turn your work and continue your decrease rows. So I've made 9 decrease rows. I've actually decreased both sides. I continue doing the regular rows without decreasing stitches on either sides for 7 rows. For the decrease, I made 9 decrease rows and then 7 straight rows. Now we have come to the shaping of the neck. So now we locate the center stitch of the top here and put a stitch marker. As you work your 8th row from here, when you reach the stitch marker, you kind of chain one and turn and make a decrease stitch here, which gives you the shaping of the V neck here. So to get the perfect V neck, you do 4 decrease rows here. Work one half of the neck here, you snip the yarn and you work on this side of the neck separately. So now coming to the shoulder part of the top, I wanted this wide shoulder for me here, which I made 11 stitches. You can, if you want a wider shoulder, you can slightly more number of stitches here, and then you do that on the side of the garment as well. So with that, your front panel is ready. You make a similar piece for the back panel too. So once it is done, you kind of seam it on the shoulders and the sides. And for the edging, I've done picot stitch, which is also a very simple stitch which is made using single crochets and chains. It's very simple and easy. You can find it on YouTube. Actually, you did the picot stitch around the neck and the bottom part of the top. So you can skip this or you can do just single crochets if you wish. So once this is done, I would recommend blocking the garment. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I will answer them all. So if you have made this top with this pattern, don't forget to tag me in your posts. I'll be very happy to see them. Thank you for watching.